guys so much for coming. This is our second annual fashion show. So last year we had the idea, we were doing this like superhero theme, and the kids wrote, what's up? Yeah. So the kids did this whole superhero theme, and they wrote like the story of their origin and like their weakness, and then the big culminating project was a big fashion show. So I was like, well, we got to do something like that. I didn't know what else to do, so Greek mythology just came out of nowhere. Sorry, I'm nervous. And so all the kids, like, they invented a character. Like, we read them a bunch of myths, and they invented their own character. They came up with their own story, their own problem, their own resolution, and they did all these amazing watercolor stories. And they're all in the hallway. So this is like their big reward for all their hard work. There were lots of tears, I'm not going to lie. But they did such a good job. And even though it's like not the most authentic stories, because it turns out Medusa has a refrigerator, and she's got a little like pocket mirror and everything. But yeah, the stories are really really great, so you should definitely check them out. So this is them as all their mythological characters. So we're going to need this area clear, because the kids are going to come sit here. So get you guys to sit that way.
You're at a mic, girl. Hey!
And you hear the sound a little bit, make the world go round. Whoa. And you hear the sound a little bit, make the world go round.
She is ABBA, goddess of dance.